The Daily Code Snippet. For media files such as audio or video, you would want to add transcripts for accessibility. In addition, for those with auditory impairments, such as being hard of hearing or deafness, we should add captions. Captions can also aid those who are viewing our video in a noisy environment or when audio may be disruptive. And for those for whom the language of the video is not their primary language, a text transcript may be helpful for translation. The track element, an empty element, is added to media elements to specify timed text tracks. There are different types of text tracks: subtitles, captions, descriptions, chapters, and metadata. The track element is used in conjunction with a WebVTT file. A WebVTT file format is a way of writing text files that contain the strings of text called cues, along with the metadata, such as the time at which the text should be displayed. The track element is added after all the source elements within an audio or video element. The kind attribute is used to identify what kind of text track it is. For example, subtitle, caption, etc. The source lang attribute identifies the language of the text track, while the label attribute tells the user the language. Let's look at an example of using a track element in our code. The track element is inserted after two source elements within the video element. And after our track element, the paragraph text tells the user, if neither source is supported, that the browser doesn't support HTML5 video and provides a link for the user to click to access the video instead. For the track element, we use the kind attribute to specify that this track is a subtitle, and we tell the browser where to find the WebVTT file in the source attribute. The language of our text track is actually German by the label, but the browser understands German by the value DE for Deutsch. Adding text tracks to your media will also help with SEO, or search engine optimization. Presented by Designers Learn Code.